Want to create amazing text effects or blend images in shapes? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the clipping mask in Photoshop. Now you may say, what is the clipping mask? It allows you to visualize one layer within the shape of another layer below. And I know that sounds confusing, but these are tons of examples you're going to see online. So we'll jump right into Photoshop and I'll show you an illustration on how to do it. In Photoshop now, we'll press new and we're going to write 1000 by 1000. Alright, 100 resolution, that's fine. Clipping mask. Alright, and just press on create, and there we have it. And I'll change the color to white so you can see clearly. Alright, now I'll drag in an image. There we have it. Now I got this image from Unsplash. Now I'm gonna put a text right here. Just type in car, right? And I'll use maybe this one or maybe that one, right? And then okay, beautiful. Now suppose I have a text like this. All I need to do a clipping mask is I want to clip the car in the text, right? So I bring the layer, I click on the layer and bring it above this, alright, and show this well. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna enlarge it a little bit. You can press Alt or Option if you're on the Mac, and just you're gonna see that icon right there. And when you click on it, it's just gonna clip it into the text like that, right? If you want to clip it, you just hold Alt or Option on the Mac and unclip it like that. So that's how you use clipping mask. It's quite nice. And with this as well, you can add effects on it. So for example, if I go on here and go drop shadow, I can just add quick effects on this. And it's quite beautiful. So you can see that yeah. And also not just with this as well, you can also make it with shapes as well. So for example, if I get the shape to a rectangle and perhaps I want something like this, and I'm gonna do another one. Alright, so I'm gonna do another one, maybe put another shape here. So they're double shapes, right? So double shapes, and I'll put another here, and maybe another here, maybe another here, and last one, maybe another here. Okay, now suppose I have this shape and I want to clip the text, the car into it. I can just bring it above the layer you want to clip onto and hold Alt or Option on the Mac and just click on it, right? And then it just shows like that. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tricks like these.